Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. It's another Woodside Wednesday, and we're in Las Vegas, Nevada with Woodside Homes, taking a look at the Skystone community. Today we'll be looking at the Biella plan. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to take you inside our Biella plan at 6411 Wild Blue Court. It's home site 30 inside our Skystone community in Summerlin. As we walk inside, one of the first things you're going to notice is the upgraded wood-like tile flooring throughout the downstairs of the home. You have your powder bath, and then right through here we've used the 4th bedroom option. We've actually upgraded it to be our Home Plus suite. So you'll see that whoever utilizes the space gets their own little kitchenette, their own bathroom right through here, and then the bedroom with the mini walk-in closet. Now here at Woodside, we do call it a Home Plus suite. For those of you that have been looking for a new home for a while and are probably overwhelmed with the different names of different things, you may have heard this space called a mother-in-law suite or a next gen. Those are all different ways to say the same thing. So, right back through here, you're going to notice the modern stair railing. Nice little nook area, coat closet. You do have a 2-car garage right through this door, another closet. Your living room space with a 12-foot slider. And you'll notice that the pavers wrap around the home. So you do have some indoor-outdoor living. You have exposed patio area. And then right back here, through the dining room, you're gonna have your covered patio area, and it does extend all the way out. And right behind me you have your gorgeous kitchen with upgraded backsplash, our gourmet kitchen option with the double built-in ovens, and our oversized kitchen island, which our buyers that do choose this option love it for entertaining. They love the space for seating. But you really do have a lot of room in here, which is great because you can kind of utilize the space however fits your needs. All right, now I'm going to take you guys upstairs. Okay, so as we go upstairs, you'll notice that that stair railing is open, and it leads you up to your other 3 other bedrooms and your loft, and the loft also has a 12-foot slider and a balcony. You do have balcony access from the master bedroom as well. So right through here is going to take you in to the master bedroom. And you have a great walk-in shower with tile detail throughout and shower heads up above. One over here, your knobs, really great tile detail in the flooring, double sinks at the vanity as well, and then your master closet. And what's great about the closet is it actually opens up into what would be your laundry room. So you can access the laundry room through here, which if we go back out, that's where that loft is. But you can come in, so imagine how much easier it is to put clothes away when the laundry room is right there. And then you have your 2 other bedrooms back here. And this bathroom over here. And then this bedroom back here also has balcony access in the front. This is one of our 8-foot sliders. And it has its own bathroom as well. Walk-in closet. This is an extra storage space. And again, it all goes back to that big loft right when you come up the stairs. All right, everyone, that's going to conclude our tour of Home Site 30 here at Skystone. Thank you so much for spending some time with me this morning and letting me take you through a tour of this beautiful home. My name is Jenna. If you need any more additional information on this home or would like to set up a tour, please let me know. You can reach myself or Myra at 702-279-6734, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.
To learn more about this community, click the links in the description and be sure to tune in for more new home showcases.